On behalf of North Goa District Mineral Foundation आणि Bardez Beekeepers Society या दोघांच्या वतीन आणि आमचे चेअरपर्सन श्री अंकित यादव IAS हांचे वतीन हांव सगळ्यांचे तुमचे स्वागत करता आयच्या कार्यक्रमाक. आयचो हो कार्यक्रम आसा हो नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट मिनरल फाउंडेशन आणि बार्देज बीकीपर सोसायटी आणि जो प्रोजेक्ट केल्लो ताजे खातीर आसा. हो कार्यक्रम आशिल्लो की आमी एक 2025 एप्रिल 2025 एक प्रोजेक्ट नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट मिनरल फाउंडेशनान लॉन्च केल्लो जो हनीबी रेअरिंग आसा ताजे ट्रेनिंग दिवपाचो. आणि तो प्रोजेक्ट नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट मिनरल फाउंडेशनाची जी गव्हर्निंग कावन्सील आसा तेणी पास केल्लो आणि थ्रू एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट आणि थ्रू आत्मा हो प्रोजेक्ट सँक्शन केल्लो आणि ताजे खातीर 30 लाखांचे बजेट सँक्शन केला. आणि तो प्रोजेक्ट बार्देज बीकीपर सोसायटी जी आसा बार्देजांतली तांणी हो आमकां मदत केल्या फार्मरांक ट्रेन करपाक. आणि फार्मरांच्या वतीन हांगा यशवंत चोडणकरय आसा, तेंचें हांव स्वागत करता.
My name is Medha Munkera. I'm the secretary of Bardez Beekeepers Society. The Bardez Beekeepers Society was just a WhatsApp group first, and then we decided to formalize it and decided to register as a society so that we can support the beekeeper farmers. They need not be really farmers, but we call them beekeeper farmers, so that they get correct scientific knowledge and practical and theoretical knowledge. Then we can procure for them all the correct equipment, give hand holding, as well as buy produce for them so that they get subsidiary income from beekeeping. Because basically beekeeping is not a full-time job. Once in a week you have to just look after your bees, and whatever we have taught in your theoretical training and practical training that we are giving, hand holding, you just have to follow the instructions that we tell you, and any farmer can be successful in beekeeping. But this is just a subsidiary income for them. So now what we have done is that we got associated with DMF. They had this project on beekeeping. So they have identified the mining affected farmers in Sarkari Taluka, Bardez and Bicholin Taluka, and distributed the bee colonies. We procured the bee colonies and the equipment on behalf of DMF, and we have distributed them. We have done hand holding for them all through this now, this cycle. For one whole year we will be hand holding for these farmers which we have selected right now. We will be doing the same kind of training for another 40 farmers in North Goa, and we will be doing hand holding. So there are farmers who have been successful. One of the farmers, Purushottam Chodankar, is from Pirna. He's here right now. The other farmers, we thought they would come, but they are from far off interior places. I guess they couldn't come really, but they have been. All of them have been successful farmers so far in all the 20 colonies that we have distributed. Only 2 places were not so successful because we have to do a lot of survey of the flora in the area.
North Goa DMF also through our PMU and through the support of different departments, we also keep taking up different projects to augment the livelihood of the people in the mining areas. One of the project was enhancing livelihoods by skilling in beekeeping for farmers in mining affected areas, and for this Bardez Beekeeper Society was selected, and I would congratulate them that today they are now launching this their own brand, Goa Amrutkumbha honey, which is a 100% local Goan product purchased from the farmers who have been trained by them, supported by them, and the honey has been procured by them without any kind of adulteration or anything. Even I have been fortunate to receive a bottle of the honey, which I would be using at my own home also. So this is a unique initiative. 20 farmers have benefited. There have been few challenges, and now we'll be further increasing this to another 40 farmers. And we hope that if this project is successful, then this can be taken up at a bigger scale with the support of the other departments also. And apart from this also, DMF is taking up different projects to enhance the livelihood through support from agriculture department, other departments, even GPARD. We have conducted different training for the augmentation of livelihood. And if there are any other projects that are DMF welcomes other projects also, you can reach out to our PMU. Our office is also there, member secretary is there, and you can visit our website also for any kind of projects if anyone is interested.